Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we have put up another chart showing a double bottom. So there's three questions that I want to ask you. Number one, where would you enter this double bottom trade? Number two, where would your stop order go? And number three, what would your profit target be? Take a couple minutes to look at this chart and we'll be back to show you the answers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we've established that this is indeed another chart of a double bottom. So how would we execute this? Here the stock makes an initial low of 120.33 cents. Does it fit our criteria? Well, it went up almost $2 to $122. So yes, the stock has moved up $2, and we needed to move up at least $1 from the first low. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes in between the time when it made the first low and the second low. Fits our criteria. How are we going to execute this trade? We're going to put a limit order at the exact price of the double bottom, 120.33. Our stop order will go 50 cents below our entry, 119.83. And our profit target on a $120 stock will be $1. So we immediately, after we get in, put in our stop order and put in our order to sell the stock at $121.33. And we can see here, right about 8 minutes after the stock made its double bottom, it traded as high as 121.40. So we would have gotten out of that trade and taken our $1 profit. Let's move on to the next trade.